Okay, everybody, we're now looking at a set of Razer Nari headphones. This installation is going to be, or replacement is going to be about the ear pads. It also applies to the Razer Kraken Ultimate Edition headphone. They are pretty much almost exactly the same. The ear pads are, in fact, exactly the same. So, however these are installed, it's the exact same for the Razer Kraken Ultimate Edition. Taking off the ear pads, nice and simple. You're just going to peel them off of the actual headphones. They use a skirting on the back, which is like the most popular way ever to attach an ear pad. And the skirting just basically hugs this headphone right here, the actual frame. So you can see the skirting right here. When I pull it out, that's the skirting. And you see that's the stuff you want to remove. So literally I'm just going to take my thumb and my fingers and squeeze it and just pull out, and it pops off. And let's do that to the other one here as well. Pull out, peel it away, all done. Okay, so the ear pads you're going to get are exactly like these. I'm just going to show you how to install the old ones. But in general, they will be exactly the same with the cool gel and everything else. So what you want to do first is look at the headphone. You have a slot right here. Can we see that? There we go. It's right there, fingernails in it. And basically that is where the skirting on the back here is going to slot into or fit into. These ear pads are obviously the ones that came on the headphones, so the skirting on the back has been stretched and it's been on the headphones for God knows how long, so therefore they're pretty much set and ready to go. It's going to be a little bit harder to get the new ones on because what you need to do is stretch out the back here. You want to get a bit of a lip where it sticks out like this. You don't want it flat like that, it makes it harder. So a little bit of a lip, and you're going to use that lip and attach or try and get that little bit of the lip into the top here by the headband first. So it looks like that. Once I have that section in, I'm going to compress that with my thumb, hold the other side like so, and I'm going to use my other hand, these two fingers and my thumb to just pull up and feed that skirting into the headphone slot. Now I'm going to rotate around, I'm going to re-grip and put my fingers here to hold that stuff in place. Go around some more, feeding that skirting into the headphone. And last bit is right at the top here. So onto the second one, do the same thing. Stretch the back, get it out there. You don't want to stretch too hard, but you can do quite a bit of a stretch. We're going to slot that in at the top here, grip it, feed it in. Let's rotate around. There we go. Good as new. Right, now another option you have is to use the Accessory Global Ultra Comfort ear pads, which we have right here. Now these are more oval in shape, but they will stretch to the headphone and be round like so. Now, the original ear pads come with cool gel, and they have PU on the outside, helping with sound isolation. Cool gel obviously keep the ears cool over time because you're going to be playing games for quite a long time. Now, the Ultra Comfort ear pads do not have cool gel, but we do have velour on the outside to make it nice and soft, and the size is what counts here. So, you have the original Razer Nari ear pad here. It's about 0.8 inches-ish. And then the actual Accessory Global Ultra Comfort ear pad is about an inch. So you're getting that extra 1/5 of an inch of memory foam and comfort when you use these. Installation is exactly the same. The skirting on the back is a little bit wider, so we're going to stretch it a bit more. And we're still doing exactly as before. We're getting that lip, we're getting a good stretch, and we want to have that lip sticking out like that. Straight back to the headphone, get that in there, There we go. Pin that down. And let's start feeding this in. You got to be careful with these ones though, because they will come out a bit easier. Oops, get this cable out of the way. Because of the shape, because of the oval shape, they can slide out at the top a little bit easier, which can be annoying, but if you apply the same technique as before, you should be all right. The last bit is always that bit that doesn't go in. There we go. Got it. Right, and ear pad number 2, I'm going to do the same thing. Stretch it out first. Nice and stretched out first. Get it in that slot right there, like so. Pinch it down, and let's just go around here. Be careful when you switch your hands, because it will pop out possibly. There we go. And last part here is at the top. And we're in. Final product right there. So now, the last thing you want to do is just look at the bottom. And you want to see these 2 little stitchings. You want those to be right down here in the middle. So we're going to rotate that around to there. And we're going to rotate this one around to here. Just like that, roughly. There we go. All done. Stay in the loop with our news, reviews, and how-tos. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. And if you're really keen, you might even be able to slide into Monty's DMs.